Okay. What is going on? AP Precalc. This is going to be a quick video today because even though I've called these notes, the task for you guys today is to go through this and sort of treat it like it's an investigation. Okay, so let me just explain what I want you to do. And then this video will post in DX when class starts tomorrow. And I'll also make an assignment where you can upload your work. That can either be old school by hand, that can be a write-up, whatever you want to do. That's kind of your homework. If you don't get it done, I'll also assign a couple questions, just old school questions about graphing quadratics. Okay, so this is our last day of prereq stuff. Okay, what we have here are the three forms that you guys should know of quadratics. So this is standard form, x squared plus bx plus c. Here we've got vertex form, and here we've got, you could call it intercept form, you could call it factored form, but those are the big three for quadratics, okay? And then again, like I said, you have three scenarios. This Tiger Woods trying to hit around or through or over a tree in the rough. You've got a cricket modeling problem, and you have a basketball free throw modeling problem, okay? So first, for each of these equations above, just what information can you obtain about the graph from the different letters, right? Probably the hardest thing to determine here will be this B. Everything else, I think, is not too bad. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then second, you have these conditions, okay? And your job, like in most of these, is which form is going to be most useful? Here are the questions you should ask. So answer that question, right? What's going to be most useful form-wise? And then find those parameters or fix the parameters, right? The parameters here are 0, 0, tree's 30 meters away, 20 meters high. Okay, you guys can read. And I'll say lowest possible, it gets over the tree, okay? So make sure that you include those parameters and then find suitable values for the other parameters, right? You have to draw a graph of your curve and show that it satisfies the given requirements. I am okay with tech, but I want one of these to be done by hand, okay? So you can use Desmos, which I highly encourage you to do. That's allowed by AP in this class. You can use your calculator, you go old school and just do everything by hand, okay? And then the question is here. So that's what you have to do for the first question. Okay, secondly, same setup, right? You have some conditions. Okay, again, you answer this question, right? Which form is best for you? Why? And then find values that work for the equation. Okay. This is a little different because we want three different curves. Okay. There are a bunch. We want you to find three, and then which of those three is most appropriate and why. Okay. And then here's the question to answer. Last one, free throws. Okay. The goal is to model the path in this one. All right. Here you're going to your conditions. Which form? This again. Again, three curves. Which is most appropriate and why? Okay, and then here's the question. I want to go back. Did we ask that? Yeah, so here you don't need three in question one, right? The other two, we want three different curves, okay? So that's a super short video. It should be a nice, easy way to end the week, I believe. Yeah, because Thursday we don't have class. Friday is trips. And then I think we have Thursday's class again Monday. So I don't think we'll see each other till a week from today. Look forward to seeing your parents. If they're coming to Thursday night, that's my goal, is to be back just to say hi to them, introduce myself. So give them a heads up. And yeah, hope things are going well. See you guys soon.